Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show a simple way how you can easily add applications to your home screen and how you can easily do that. So what you want to do, you just click here on apps when you're gonna have and enter the apps store, and then you want to scroll down below and you're gonna have, let's say, a Netflix, right? So what you need to do is to hold Netflix, hold with the home button with the Netflix. Let me show you again. Let's say like Disney here. And when you're gonna hold it, don't click it, hold it, the middle button, this one, the OK, and you're gonna have add to home. And voila, this is how you do it. So now when I would go back, we're gonna have it right here in our home, Disney. So thank you very much. This is how you can easily add apps to your home button, Samsung TV, Samsung Smart TV. Have a great day and goodbye, guys. See ya.